So, hi dear Aquarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is journal. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the 22nd of September, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Okay, let's start. Let's come to the point straight away. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Page of Cups. Okay, there's a sense of love here. There's a sense of apologizing also. There's a sense of wanting to share some kind of emotional kind of energy with you. Let's clarify the Page of Cups. It could be very much possible that you guys have age difference, or one of you is very emotionally mature and the other person is not. Let me clarify the Page of Cups as their feelings for you. We have the Page of Swords, the Emperor, and the Hanged Man. Yeah, this is somebody who's watching you from a distance. There's physical distance between you guys. For some of you, there's emotional distance between you guys. This is somebody who is portraying themselves as somebody who's not interested in you. But this is somebody who's watching you from a distance. And they have a sense that they should talk to you. They should apologize to you for if they did something wrong with you. If not, they feel like they should talk to you. They should open up to you emotionally. They are thinking about it. Although this person is not feeling like doing anything about it, but they're thinking about it a lot. Like they should leave their ego, leave their pride, and they should connect with you and talk to you. Yeah, they should open up to you emotionally, or they should be more vulnerable in front of you. Whatever it is, two pages in the same row is telling me that this person is either you guys having age difference, or this person is too immature to deal with the love and relationship kind of a thing. So they're learning on the way. They're learning. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Nine of Swords. So from your side, you feel like you can't sleep at night thinking about whatever is happening or whatever happened between you guys. This is giving you anxiety. This is giving you stress. This is giving you sleepless nights. Let me clarify the Nine of Swords here. We have the Six of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles. Yeah, you're moving on from the situation, but it's not easy for you to move on from the situation. You're going back and forth energetically in the situation. One day you are into this, another day you're not into this, then you are into this, then you're not into this. So it's kind of stressing the hell out of you, because you feel like moving on from the situation, but for some reason you're not able to do that. So you are in and out, in and out, in and out of the situation, on and off, in and out of the situation. But you are trying your best not to participate in the situation and keep your energies low key, or keep your energies to yourself and move on, finding your peace, finding your balance. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions for the situation between you and them, Pisces? Sorry, Aquarius. You might be dealing with the Pisces here. So their intention is to clear the air with you. Their intention is to have a happy-go-lucky kind of energy between you and them, right? This person wants to be happy with you. They want to provide you a very stable, very clear-cut, very beautiful energy, but for some reason they're not able to do that. But they want to do that. Yeah, this person wants to have a brand new beginning with you, where everything from the past is erased. Every bad memory, every bad conversation, every bad happening is erased completely. And now this person wants to come towards you with a fresh start, with this energy of, I'm completely single, I'm sorted, now I want to have a brand new beginning with you. Or if you are not single, if you are with somebody else, they want you to be single for them, so that they can have this brand new beginning with you. Now, wanting something and feeling something and doing something are three different, totally different things. Okay, please keep that in mind. So this person is feeling like they should approach you, they should talk to you, but they're not doing it. They want a brand new beginning in this direction, but I don't know if they're going to do that or not, if they're going to take any kind of action in this direction or not. But they're daydreaming about having a family with you, about having a relationship with you, about having a connection with you, because of the past, because of the beautiful past that you had with each other at some point of time. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Two of Pentacles. I guess you just want to get out of this confusion, this on and off, in and out kind of energy. You just want to stay safe. You just want to stay in your comfort zone, and you just don't want to participate in the situation anymore. as of now, until unless you're 100% sure, like you should go in that direction. Okay. Hmm. We have the Three of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune. Yes, right, yes, right. So the thing is, I'm feeling tired today for some weird reason. I don't know why. Slept well, did everything fine. This healing is going to kill me, I'm telling you guys. Anyways, so you just don't want to participate in any kind of collaboration or partnership or any kind of connection or relationship until unless you're 100% sure that this connection or this situation is going to give you something stable on the table. Okay, you can't wait for the situation to settle down, and you can't work in a situation where you are continuously confused, you're continuously on and off, in and out. So you want to stabilize your own energies. You want to understand whether a collaboration or partnership is going to bring the stability that you want or not. Then you want to move forward accordingly, right? You don't want to jump into any kind of relationship or situationship or connection just for the sake of it, or in any kind of confusion. Not at all. Let's see what's coming towards it till the 22nd of September. Three of Pentacles, I do see a partnership coming towards you, nevertheless, even if you want it or not. But there's a sense of partnership, there's a sense of let's work on this situation. It's coming towards you. Maybe you are going to take the initiative to do that. Let me clarify. Yeah, somebody is coming towards you with an opportunity to heal the situation between you and them. It could be you reaching out to somebody like, okay, even if it is confusing the hell out of me, let me work on the situation, let me heal the situation. I do see slowly but surely the situation coming under control between you and a specific person and specific energy. It's like one of you is going to start with clarity and the truth and the honesty, and the other person is going to follow here. And this situation has the potential to become something very stable and very beautiful in the coming future, if you guys are not going to lose your temper, if you guys are going to be walking on the path of clarity and truth and understanding between you guys. I do see major healing happening in the situation, a situation that is kind of going south right now, or might be going south from a very long time, has the potential to get healed and resolved if both of you are ready to put in the effort and energy. And I feel you guys will eventually. So I do see like two energies eventually coming together and working on a situation to heal the situation properly and moving towards the growth, growth of a situation in a very, very beautiful way. Very beautiful. Yeah, this outcome, this situation has the potential to become very beautiful in the future if you guys are going to walk on the path of honesty and truth and put in the equal effort and energy in the situation. That's really cool. Let's see the guidance for you guys. We have the Death and the Seven of Wands and the Wheel of Fortune. Yes, you have to come out of your comfort zone, Aquarius, and you have to let the universe play its role and let the universe do its magic to unfold the situation for whatever it should be in the coming future. First of all, but you have to come out of your shell. You have to come out of your comfort zone. You have to let your guards down, and you have to start going in that direction. If the other energy is also willing to put in the effort and energy, and you are also ready to put in the effort and energy, this situation can go someplace very beautiful. But again, you guys have to talk it out. You guys have to come to the same page, and you guys have to understand that this needs a lot of honesty and truthfulness and a lot of efforts from both the side. That I do see eventually both of you are going to do it, but getting out of your comfort zone is kind of difficult for you guys right now to do. So that is what you need to do right now at this present moment, and then let the universe decide, let the universe unfold it with time. Let the magic happen. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.